Right, so we're now ready. Sugar all dissolved. Let's just add the yeast. Now in this packet of Pure that we're adding now, you have yeast and you have nutrient. And it's important that we get the nutrient in there as well, because that's going to make sure we get a good fermentation. Now the carbon, it's quite solid, the old carbon, so it is dissolved in liquid. All we need to do to make sure we've got it all nice and easy to use is just manipulate it with your hands. The colder it is, the more manipulation you want. But now I've got it in a nice liquid form. Those big lumps have just dropped out. Oh, and I'm just going to, if I can keep hold of the scissors, I'm just going to drop this in now to the liquid. Oh. In she goes. I'm just going to squeeze it, make sure we've got none left behind, like so, and just rinse the end off it. And then give it a stir. So we're stirring in the yeast. We want to make sure that that's all nicely wetted and the carbon's all dissolved. Now the Pure yeast is particularly good at making a wash that tastes of nothing, and that's really important. The carbon also acts as a way of removing the off flavours from the yeast and the wash. So again, both products are really important to producing this really clean tasting wash. Now with the air still, that is really important to have this clean tasting wash, because when we put it into the air still, it gets condensed. And if there are flavours in there, that condensing will get worse and worse. So those off flavours will get bigger and bigger. At the end of this fermentation, we are going to have, provided our gravity is somewhere down below 990 to 980, we're going to end up with roughly 14% alcohol in here. So for roughly speaking, we've got 14% alcohol in here. It means we can extract that 14% using the still. We've got the T500 or we've got the air still that will do it for us. So we're now going to move this to one side. I'm just going to put the lid and the airlock on.